Plagiarism can have serious consequences, whether you are a student, educator, writer, or content creator. But checking for plagiarism doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With our free online tool, you can check for plagiarism in seconds. Our tool uses advanced algorithms to compare your text against millions of web pages, academic papers, and publications to detect any instances of plagiarism. Simply copy and paste your text into the provided field, click the Check Plagiarism button, and our tool will do the rest. Within seconds, you'll receive a detailed report highlighting any instances of plagiarism found in your text. Not only does our tool detect plagiarism, but it also provides suggestions for improving your writing and citing sources properly. With our free plagiarism checker, you can submit your work with confidence, knowing that it is original and plagiarism-free. Don't risk the consequences of plagiarism. Use our free online tool to check for plagiarism in seconds and ensure the integrity of your work. Try it now and say goodbye to plagiarized content.